Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be talking about these contacts that I actually bought off of Instagram. So I bought these are from Luxe Babe. I'll add them in the description box. These are in the style, I don't know how to say this, Guajira, something like that. So these are those, so let's give them a try. So they come like this. They come in this box, 2 separate packs, and in the box it comes with one of these, which is really good because it saves you a lot of money. And it actually has instructions on the inside. I'm gonna open the box in a minute, but let me put them on. Okay, so these are those. They're really cute actually. They match my hair. Okay, so let's open the box and read the instructions that come with it. So it tells you how to apply them. So basically just gives you instructions on how to apply them and basic caring, I guess you can say. So these are those. And then I have contact solution, so I'm actually gonna pour some new contact solution into the thing. So let me just go in here. And next, like I said, I have 3 contacts. The next one I have is Queen. Like I said, they come in a box with this, and then so let's put these bad babies on. Oh, they're really hard to open. Okay, got it open, but I squirted some juice at me. These kind of look similar to the ones I just had on, so I'm not feeling that. So I always just put it on my finger. This is that one. And this one's Queen. My last pair is Desert Dream. These look more pinkish, so I'm hoping, I thought they were like brown. Okay, so they are brown, but they're more with my eye color. They make it look like a red brown. I'm not a fan of this one. They make me look scary. There we go. It wasn't sticking to my my pupil. Okay, so this is that one. Like I said, this is more of like they look pink outside of my eye, but whenever I put it in, they look like a red, like almost like bloodshot, I guess you can say. They're cute though, but I don't know, like I wouldn't wear these out, or I might, because they kind of look light brown red, if that makes sense. Does it? No. One is called Desert Dream, which makes sense because they look like you belong in the desert, I guess you can say. But they're cute. They're cute. You're gonna struggle if you don't ever know how to put on you've never put on contacts before. Like I literally just place it on my finger and plop it in until it sticks. I always used to have my mom put it in middle school because I used to wear contacts in middle school, and she would always put in my contacts. But now I kind of just pop it in and then pull it out. My mom says it's scary the way I take it out because it's like I'm putting my nail inside my eye, but it works. Okay, well you guys, that's it. And like I said, these are called Luxe Babe. I love you. At Luxe Babe, that's what it's called. I'll put their Instagram down below. I also have a code for you to receive money off of them if you do end up buying these. They're really cute. They have different styles. I want to eventually get all of them, but I have to make my way up to there because right now 3 is enough. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a like, share, comment, and subscribe to your girl, okay? And I hope you're subscribing and hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video.